We explored translations because that was what everybody was initially interested in and used AI for. It was easy to translate from, you can say, English to my native language, Danish, or the other way around. And as a tool, using it as a person, it's really fast doing the translations. We also, you can say, could see that it was, you can say, really great at doing something like marketing text, generic marketing text. But when we were exploring a little bit later on translations, we can just see that even though the models got better with the releases from 3.5 up to 4 and 4.0, we can just see that the quality and the knowledge of the AI isn't trained specifically based on what the clients actually need and demand, and it doesn't have the domain knowledge. And this is where they're seeing, you can say, it's a curve where they're saying there's a high level of a lot of generic knowledge that is great for marketing text, but when you then dive into a client's quite specific product and information about that, it haven't got that much information about it. So this is where it lacks, you can say, the really important part of it, where it doesn't support the translations out of the box. You still need to have people to review it, and sometimes it's way off. So this is where we've been exploring, and we can use it for some simple use cases. But at the moment, what we also feel and are in dialogue with some of the clients about is that it's actually not good enough for production for all elements yet. It might be there in the future, but for now, it's still something that we are careful about just putting into production.